by Hertz. Tunamwamini Mungu. 12 very beautiful birds. 1. The rainbow lorikeet, nature's color palette. 2. Paradise tanager, the jewel of the rainforest. 3. Kingfisher, the dazzling fisher of the streams. 4. European bee-eater, the aerial acrobat. 5. European roller, the azure adventurer. 6. Golden pheasant, flame of the forest. 7. Blue jay, guardian of azure. 8. Keel-billed toucan, tropical paintbrush. 9. Cedar waxwing, silken aristocrat. 10. Red-billed blue magpie. 11. Resplendent quetzal. 12. Last but not least, from my country Kenya, the secretary bird. Thank you for watching. God is everything.